Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to say thank you so much. This is our first day back on for the season, and here we have the new storefront, which is really focused on the local foods, and we'll start to have some vegetable plants and some bedding plants starting next week. But this was kind of the first open and showcase of our new farm store. So I wanted to show, and we have some pictures up on top too. We have Mitch's microgreens here. We have Lovey-Dovey's eggs here. We have Belansky's meat, as you can see here in the freezer that we put in today. And then we also have a grant from Good Life Farm, or the Fresh Green Project, their greens in here as well. And we have tea galore because we've been working hard. Me and Joseph have been doing that. And we have Debbie's Honeys, we've got our salves. We are still getting our shirts and everything situated, but we also have the Milkmaid soaps from Missouri. And then we have some free seeds here. That transparency is from last year, but you can always use them and get good vegetables and some herbs out of that. And then we still have some more Mesner honey. We have some kind of DIY, the premix soups. And then we have two men in a garden, some of their salsas and their pickles. And then we have Heather's Avogal, Yes Honey drinks that are in here. We have a Springfield, the Spring Branch kombucha. And so you'll see filling up slowly all the coolers full of things. And we have romaine and some lettuce mix in here as well. So you'll still see there's a little bit of some work to do, but we're really excited about kind of where the farm store is going. And you may see this loveliness right here, but the goal is to allow for this automated remote door to be here, soon to be 24/7, as self-serve during the non-staffed hours, and then we will be here staffing it Friday and Saturday from 9 to 5, and then Sunday to 1 to 5. So the hope is that you can still have access even after hours, and that allows for a balance of us having to still do the farming aspect and the nursing side job aspect, and still be able to allow for some openness to the community. And so just so you know, we'll be able, when it is the self-serve during that times, just like the farm stand, we still will be able to accept Venmo, or you can make the payment online and then do a pickup. If you're using your SNAP benefits, or when WIC and senior benefits start in May, you do have to come during staffed hours for us to run that. But it opens some opportunity, and it's really exciting because we wanted to expand it. We hear people, we need to have more open hours, and we get it, but we have to find a balance of it all. So you'll see us, and we're still doing some construction out here with some of our raised beds because we need to get more greens in the ground. We'll still start doing some of our education classes, so be out to look for that, especially seed starting class. We'll be doing another herbs as first aid class, looking into that, and then hearing about composting and some other aspects. Lincoln University and MU Extension will help us with some of those, but your local lovely people like Riley from Sourdough, Sharif for Herbs as First Aid, and some others will still be doing classes here, and then I'll do some seed starting and succulent classes. So looking forward to the 2026 year. We're really excited. It seems like an aha moment of direction. It's really exciting to be able to support more local producers and to get that into the hands of locals and to show that this is a sustainable food system. So I can really nerd out on this. I won't waste any of your time, but I'm excited. It was great. I just came from Farm to Fort conference, and I got to meet even more producers and be able to make those connections. And so I hope to see you all here over the weekend and over the whole entire season. And if there's something that you're kind of looking into, or you want to be a producer or a farmer or a vendor in our place, let us know. We also have that farm partnership form directly on our website. It's on the link above, or you can find it on Facebook. There's a quick link as well. And what else is there? Farm membership credits. If you purchase ahead farm membership credits, you get 10% discount through the membership credit time. And what my hope and goal is that eventually when we get this all nice and up and running, the farm membership folks get to have a cool little access card. And so they don't have to call us every time they're trying to get in. They'll be able to boop, boop, and that's my dream, and it's gonna get accomplished. It's gonna be great. But ultimately, I'm super excited to see multiple producers here at the farm stand. So until next time, I'm gonna go home and snuggle on my babies and hope to give you another update later on. Have a great evening, everyone, here at Lainey at Harvick Farms.